Welcome back. You're watching Big Deal. So, Asit, we were talking about now what are the trends that may really develop. Going forward in 2017, what are the factors on your watch list and how can they really impact the deal street as well as corporate banking?
I think we've got to get used to volatility for sure. That's here to stay. So we will have to be timing our deals almost to perfection. As Raj pointed out, we need to be in a state of readiness to get a deal done, and that's what we're telling most of our clients. We continue to see some pricing pressure. I don't think that is going away in a hurry. There is surplus amount of liquidity in the system, and therefore at least the good borrowers are able to access markets more easily than they ever were able to. I don't see that changing in a hurry, but it is opportunistic, and people should be in some form looking at these opportunities to exploit. And I just don't see a change in that.
So, Raj, if I have to ask you, what could be the M&A trend and the theme for 2017? What would it be?
Yeah, I think cross-border activity is likely to pick up. So if you've seen the last couple of years, there's been a lot of domestic consolidation. There has been obviously a lot of investment in the technology space. But other spaces have, by and large, been relatively quiet compared to previous years. I think, at least based on the dialogue that we are having, we are seeing that trend starting to change. We are seeing international investors, dusting off their old files and saying, okay, we want to look at India again. We are seeing Indian companies, as Asit mentioned, getting the confidence to start looking outbound again. And I think that trend of cross-border M&A picking up again.
Which geography looks most likely with which we may have most amount of outbound or cross-border transactions?
In terms of outbound transactions, clearly the U.S. continues to be an extremely attractive destination for investments by Indian companies. So that is a space that people are looking at. I think people are also looking at Western Europe. In terms of emerging markets, at least I've seen less, but maybe there are deals over there as well. In terms of inbound, I think it's a broad mix. So you have American companies, European companies, Japanese companies, Chinese companies, all looking at the Indian market and looking to do deals there.
So one Chinese company, when it gets all the clearances in place, probably more could come in. So yes, that's one theme that I'll watch out for. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us right here on Big Deal. It was really a privilege speaking to both of you, and we got a lot of insights on the deal street and corporate banking as well. All the best for 2017.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And with that, I thank all the viewers for joining us on Big Deal. The big theme that could be watched out for is going to be cross-border transactions in the year 2017. Keep a watch on that. Thanks so much.